Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Maya time deposit. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Maya app and log into your account. From the home screen, you want to tap on savings at the top. This is where you'll find the time deposit option. Scroll down a bit and select time deposit. Then on this page, you want to pick the term or duration for your deposit. This could be anywhere from a few months to a year, depending on your preference. Remember, you won't be able to withdraw the money until the term ends, so choose a duration that works for your financial goals. After you've chosen, you can review the interest rate and confirm the details. Maya will show you how much interest you'll earn over the selected term, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, just go ahead and tap continue to confirm and create your time deposit. Your funds will be secured and you can monitor your time deposit anytime within the app until it matures. And that's it. Creating a Maya time deposit is simple and a great way to make your money work for you. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.